happy living. I figured that if I stopped wearing certain type of clothes, I can focus on things that really matter to me, have a better work-life balance and productivity. Would you like to know how? Welcome to Growth Mindset series, and I'm Nidhi Sharma. It's awesome to have you here with me. So you know what? I'm a very disciplined person. I have schedules and lists and to-do lists and time allocated for each task. Did I mention lists? And yet, I struggle with time. आप मुस्कुरा रहे हो ना? You are able to relate to this, isn't it? तो जब मैंने कोचिंग और काउंसलिंग शुरू करी थी करीब आज से 10 साल पहले, and when life got tough, I would be tempted to take up a job. And every time I had that thought, I had shivers run down my spine. सर घूम जाता था मेरा. I used to get reminded of the long hours that a career demands, a job demands, of the things that I would not be able to do that truly mattered to me. And I just couldn't deal with the thought that it will create so much imbalance in my life. I realized that having a work-life balance was very, very important to me. So over the years, I have kind of made a list of things that occupied my mind space and took up a lot of my time, left me drained. I no longer wish to waste my time on those things. And I'm going to share this list with you. On top of that list is, I no longer waste my time on what if or how things could have been. Wasting my time on wanting to second guess myself and my choices, thinking what I could have done, what could have I said, what could have been different. Because you know what? The fact of the matter is that it is over. It's in the past and I cannot do anything about it except learn from it and refrain from having the same behavior in the future. Right? So now I do my best. I know that I did my best and then I let it be. I no longer spend time in explaining myself and my choices or proving myself. I guess that's one of the perks of getting older. Believe me on that one. The only person who has to be okay with what is going on in my life and my heart is me. Others, even if they matter to me a lot, will always have another perspective. They will always see things from their perspective, their thought process. And I have realized that I cannot please everyone. And in the process, I make that one person who is most important to me unhappy. Me. So now, I focus on nurturing me. I no longer spend my time on pretense. This is who I am. And I won't make time pretending that I'm something different. It's not always comfortable, but it sure is better than faking it, which I did for a very long time. I pretended to be an extrovert, which I'm not. And that used to leave me totally drained. No more. No more pretending, and I wear my authentic face now. So there are things that I have actually figured over a period of time, and among those things, one of the things which is very quirky is that I realize that I will not wear clothes that require extra care. No more dry cleaning, no more starching. Hand wash, home wash, ironing is enough for me. So look at my dress today. Lovely outfit made by my friend Jasmine. Thank you, darling. It's from her wearable art label Indian Colors. It's easy breezy, very low maintenance, and makes me feel great. Check it out. I have various other things on my list, including my hairstyle. Minimum fuss, wash, toss and go. Thank you, Antara. It took me time and understanding, contemplation and evaluation. I got there. I have achieved what I think is a healthy work-life balance, something that I can live comfortably with. I have time for things that truly matter to me, like running, reading, thinking, breathing, just being. I'm sure you also have things that take up a lot of your mind space and keep you from doing things that really want. Think about it. We all are granted equal hours in a day, 24 hours. With growth mindset, we can actually make those hours more productive, more fruitful, and go from good to great. I look forward to your subscriptions, likes, shares, and comments. Collaboration is a part of growth mindset after all. So do tell me, what have you figured that you will no longer be wasting your time on? I will see you next week with a story about my childhood, which I think actually set me on my journey to the growth mindset. Till then, stay safe, keep moving, keep growing. Happy living to you.